AccuWeather was founded 56 years ago in State College, Pennsylvania, and now we've grown to a global company. We're known for being players in big data, but at the heart of it from the start is really weather, and that's the core of our mission and what we focus on. We're also starting to inject AI into more of our business practices. We had a lot of manual coding. It was very time-intensive, very labor-intensive. It would take us months to go through and analyze how weather was impacting a business. Now we have a solution with AccuWeather D3 where we utilize Azure Machine Learning to quickly go through that same process, and it's instantaneous. D3 stands for Data-Driven Decisions, and at AccuWeather we know that businesses want to know how weather is going to impact them. We've been able to take clients' custom data, merge that with weather data, and run it through a machine learning stream.
Scale is the number one reason we're looking to deploy this D3 on Azure. As we deployed things like our API and other items on Azure, we came to realize that machine learning would allow us to pre-build some algorithms that could get better over time, and taking inbound data from our customers, learn about how the future may be affected. This has allowed us to move much faster than we ever could have in the past. The technical support and the expertise on deploying and using the machine learning tools that are available on Azure was very important for our data science team.
The journey from consumer to business is on the same path. So knowing how weather impacts consumers, that has an influence on all of these businesses. It has an influence on what products you're going to buy, what activities you're going to engage in, your mood. That's at the heart of what we do at AccuWeather. We want to help businesses. We want to help people.
As organizations get really good combining data that's never been combined before, all of that is just going to get so much more precise.
We know we can depend on Microsoft and Azure to help us get there in the right way and to get there fast.